Most people think boxers are born with incredible endurance, lean muscle, and unstoppable confidence. But what if I told you it is not genetics, and it is not endless hours in the gym either? Training like a boxer changes your body in ways most workouts never will. If you want to burn fat faster, feel more athletic, and build real mental toughness, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will understand why boxing-style training is a game changer. I am your coach, and I help people build strong, functional, and confident bodies using smart, effective training methods. Today, I am breaking down how training like a boxer changed my body, and how it can change yours too. This is not about fighting, it is about conditioning, movement, and total body strength. This workout is beginner to intermediate friendly. You can do most of it at home with no equipment, or add light weights or a jump rope if you have them. The intensity is adjustable, and I will explain how to scale every part. Stick around until the end, because I will show you how to train like a boxer without burning out or getting injured. Warm-ups never skip warm-ups, and neither should you. Start by standing tall and loosening your shoulders with small circles. Take steady breaths. Add light bouncing on the balls of your feet to wake up your calves and ankles. Begin rotating your hips and torso slowly. This kind of warm-up prepares your joints and nervous system for fast, powerful movement. You are not rushing here. You are preparing your body to move smoothly and confidently. Upper body training. Boxing training builds upper body endurance like nothing else. Shadow boxing engages your shoulders, arms, chest, and upper back continuously. Keep your hands up and your elbows relaxed. Throw light punches into the air with control. Beginners should focus on slow, clean movements. Advanced levels can punch faster and longer. Your shoulders will burn, but that burn builds stamina, definition, and posture. Over time, your arms feel lighter and stronger, not bulky or stiff. Lower body training. What most people do not realize is that boxing is built from the legs. Footwork strengthens your calves, thighs, and glutes while improving balance and coordination. Practice small steps forward, backward, and side to side. Stay light on your feet. Beginners can move slowly and focus on balance. Intermediate levels can add speed and direction changes. This type of training reshapes your lower body and improves how you move in everyday life. Core engagement. Every punch, step, and rotation in boxing comes from the core. Your abs and lower back work constantly to stabilize and generate power. Stand tall and rotate your torso gently as you punch. Imagine your core supporting every movement. This builds deep core strength without endless crunches. Over time, your waist feels tighter, your posture improves, and your movements feel more controlled. Full body cardio conditioning. Boxing-style training pushes your heart and lungs hard. Short bursts of movement, followed by brief recovery periods, train your body to handle intensity. Shadow box for a short round, then breathe and reset. Beginners can take longer breaks. Intermediate levels can shorten rest and increase speed. This kind of conditioning burns calories fast and improves endurance in a way steady cardio cannot. Peak intensity and mindset shift. This is where boxing training changed my body. Not just physically, but mentally. When your heart rate is high and your muscles are tired, you learn to stay focused. You learn to breathe under pressure. You realize you are stronger than you thought. This training builds confidence, discipline, and resilience. Every round you finish proves you can push through discomfort and come out stronger. Slow everything down now. Shake out your arms and legs. Take deep breaths and stretch your shoulders, hips, and calves. Today you worked your upper body, lower body, core, and cardiovascular system all at once. Training like a boxer builds lean muscle, burns fat, improves coordination, and strengthens your mind. It's efficient, challenging, and incredibly rewarding when done consistently. If this video helped you understand how boxing-style training can transform your body, hit the like button so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel for more total body workouts and smart training advice. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Comment below and tell me what part of boxing training you want to try first, or where you're watching from. And when you're ready, check out the next video on building endurance and confidence with simple daily workouts.